Welcome to the video install guide for the P3 Cars Vent Integrated Digital Interface for the Volkswagen Mark 6 platform. Pop off the fuse box cover panel with a small flathead screwdriver or your finger. Remove vent from the dash by applying pressure from the rear left corner of the vent assembly. If you did not purchase your unit pre-installed in an OEM vent housing, please visit p3cars.com for vent install PDF and continue from this point once installed. Feed the display cable into the vent hole and out the side dash. Insert vent into the dash until seated. Plug in the diagnostic port connector. Tuck diagnostic cable between trim panels, leaving no slack. Connect display cable to the control box. Connect harness to control box and tighten connectors. Start car to check functionality. Tuck wires and control box into fuse box area. Replace fuse box cover panel. Make sure all clips are firmly secured by checking fitment. Now you're ready to enjoy your P3 Cars Vent Integrated Digital Interface. P3 Cars, precision, passion, performance.